Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right canvas and start designing a banner that fits perfectly across your channel. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your channel's look, creating a professional and eye-catching banner is essential to make a great first impression. Start on your main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen, where you'll see your recent designs and the left sidebar. At the very top left, find the Create button and click it to open the design options. In the search field that appears, type YouTube. From the results, look for YouTube Banner and click that to create your design. That's the key. Choosing YouTube Banner ensures you're working at the correct size for channel art, so you won't have to worry about cropping or resizing later. This saves you time and ensures the design process is smooth right from the start. As soon as the new design opens, you'll be taken to a canvas that's already set up to fit a YouTube banner. Canva provides a perfectly sized template area, which means your layout will match what viewers see on different devices. This is super important because your banner will look different on phones, tablets, and TVs, and Canva's template ensures it's optimized for all screen sizes. A helpful rule while designing is to keep your most important elements, like your channel name, tagline, or logo, near the center. That area is the safest zone for visibility across phones, tablets, and TVs. If you place crucial information too far to the left or right, it may get cut off on smaller devices. Keeping it centered ensures consistency across platforms and maximizes visibility. Now you can design it exactly the way you want. You can start with a pre-made template to get a quick, professional layout, or use a blank canvas if you prefer a custom look. If you're a beginner or short on time, templates can be a huge help in speeding up the process and providing a polished look right away. Replace placeholder text with your channel name and a short message that sums up what viewers can expect. A clear, concise tagline can give viewers a quick understanding of your content, making it easier for them to decide whether to subscribe. Choose fonts that are bold and easy to read at a glance, and use a color palette that matches your brand. High contrast between text and background helps your message stand out and ensures readability. Drag elements to position them precisely, and use Canva's smart guides to keep everything aligned. These guides are a real game changer for keeping your layout clean and professional. You can adjust spacing, tweak letter size, and fine-tune the hierarchy so the most important information draws the eye first. This is where design theory comes into play. For example, making your channel name slightly larger than your tagline will help viewers know what your channel is about right away. If you're including images or graphics, keep them clean and uncluttered so they don't compete with your text. Simple shapes, subtle textures, and a single focal image often look more polished than a busy layout. A clean design will give a more professional, sleek appearance, which can help attract more subscribers. As a final pass, zoom out to see the overall balance, then zoom in to check crispness and readability. When you zoom out, it's easier to spot any design imbalances or elements that might look off-center. Then, when you zoom back in, you can focus on fine details like text size or alignment. Make sure key details sit comfortably in the center safe area, and that your colors and typography feel consistent with your channel's style. Consistency in design is key to building your brand, so ensure that the fonts and color palette match what viewers expect when they visit your channel. And that's it! From your main dashboard, click Create, search for YouTube, select YouTube Banner, and you're ready to design with a perfectly sized template. Whether you're just starting your channel or refreshing your branding, Canva makes it easy to create stunning designs without needing advanced skills. Have fun bringing your channel's personality to life, and remember, your banner is the first thing viewers see, so make it count.